Use offices to keep an accurate inventory of your private suites, monitor occupancy rates, and provide a seamless digital sign-up experience for your clients. To start listing your private offices, activate the Offices module. Navigate to Location Settings, Resources, Offices page. Toggle the Offices switch to On. Once enabled, the Offices module will appear in the left-hand panel under Resources. Use the Book Ahead setting to define how far in advance tenants can create office bookings. You're now all set to start adding your offices. Click Add Office and upload the office photo in a horizontal format. Enter an office name and seating capacity to specify the number of people the office is designed to accommodate. In the description field, type any necessary details about the office that potential tenants might want to know. For example, office size and amenities. Offices are typically long-term rentals, so you will likely want to enable the Plans toggle to manage subscriptions. Create one or more pricing tiers that represent your rental terms, such as a premium private office membership. Set the tier name, which will appear on the customer invoices. Choose the cycle. It defines how frequently your members are billed for the rental of this office. Add the description to give the customer the explanation of what the resource tier includes. Now set the price and define if it's the fee per office seat or for the entire resource, which contains multiple seats. Enter the setup fee when you need to add a fixed one-time fee to the first invoice of your customers. Enable the minimum commitment to define the minimum subscription period for this resource tier. Next, configure other options. Add expiring credits if you offer free room booking hours, and apply office members discounts for specific services. Choose the request sign-up type if you need to verify tenants or sign physical contracts before they move in. When using the request mode, users apply for the office membership, and those applications will arrive as support tickets for your team to review. Alternatively, choose the immediate sign-up type if you want users to subscribe and pay the first invoice instantly. Configure option with the Easy Blue if you give access to printing to office members. Press Save and add more tiers if needed. Each tier usually represents a different pricing or cycle. If you prefer not to list prices publicly, disable the Plans option entirely. This will replace the pricing with a contact button, allowing customers to reach out to you for a custom quote. If an office has different access hours than the rest of your space, enable the custom schedule to set unique working hours. Use the visibility settings to determine which user groups can see the office in the app. We recommend keeping it public for marketing purposes, but you can restrict it to specific member groups if needed. If you have an integrated access control system, choose the appropriate office access group. Once a member signs up, the system automatically adds them to the relevant access group. Enable Calendar Sync if you want to see bookings for this office in your Google Calendar. Press Create to save your office configuration. If needed, you can click Edit on any specific office to update prices, modify visibility permissions, or refresh descriptions. These updates take effect instantly. If you set the request sign-up type for the plan tier, set your support page visibility to public. It'll allow public users submit an application before paying and communicate with you via a support ticket. You can request documents or clarify additional company details with users via the ticket. Once approved, create the company profile first if they are joining as a team, issue a contract, and create the subscription. If immediate sign-up type is chosen, users subscribe immediately. The system invites the user as a member and creates the subscription. All the membership benefits like credits and door access are given immediately once the subscription starts. If company rents an entire office, employees can book seats in this office daily on demand. It's helpful for members utilizing a hybrid work model. To set this up, first, add the office with the total seating capacity available. Next, navigate to the company profile to assign the office to the client. You must enable the entire resource switch during the assignment process. By assigning the entire resource, the office remains open for employees to book individual seats each day. Once assigned, invite company members to book via your member portal. Company members go to Offices, choose their office, the booking date, and make a booking for free. Users can always see how many seats are already reserved for a particular date. Employees can also coordinate with their team by checking which workmates are coming in. They go to the Offices page, Bookings tab, and view the names of colleagues who have reserved a spot for that day. Administrators can identify which resources are available for booking at a glance on the Floors tab of the Offices page. Select the necessary date and choose the needed floor from the drop-down. Green fill available for booking, pink fill fully booked, purple fill fully assigned to a certain customer on the selected date, white fill unavailable for booking. If needed, all bookings can be exported, or you can see some charts about office bookings by going to Analytics page, Offices. If needed to track all the assigned offices, administrators should go to Resources Assignments page. Under All Resources, choose Office and view the office rentals on the timeline.